Hi everyone! Today I'm collaborating with Kitchen Princess Bamboo. We made chocolate sweets using traditional Japanese matcha. Her channel is all about Japanese home cooking. Be sure to go there and check out her videos. She is making matcha tofu chocolate for you. Today I'd like to introduce you to Japanese vegan ice cream. I sprinkled plenty of chocolate sauce on the fluffy matcha ice cream made from soy milk. This ice cream is sugar-free and oil-free. Today, I use Monk Fruit Sweetener Lacanto as a healthy option. It is healthy so you can eat as much as you want without feeling guilty. Let's make it together. You need only 4 ingredients for the ice cream. First, shift the matcha powder so you don't have any lump. Second, put soy milk in a bowl. Use white soy milk with a soybean solid content of 10% or more. Third, whisk at high speed with a hand mixer for 1 minute. Fourth, add monk fruit sweetener or sugar in 2 portions. Whisk well each time. Fifth, add matcha and mix. Sixth, when it becomes a fine foam, add lemon juice. Lemon juice sets the protein in the soy milk. Seventh, whisk even better. Eighth, pour into a mold and chill in the freezer for 3 hours to harden. Next, make chocolate sauce. First, put melted coconut oil, cocoa powder, and maple syrup in a bowl and mix well. Second, put the chocolate sauce in a plastic bag like this and close it with tape. Third, cut this end a little and sprinkle with chocolate sauce. It's done. The ice cream is fluffy, so be careful when cutting with a kitchen knife. After warming the knife, cut it quickly. The taste is very light, so the ice cream melts quickly. It's delicious. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mold, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and shojin ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。